Chef Stephen. It was Saturday afternoon and Stefan knocked on his friends' doors. My mom says you all can come for tea tonight. I'm going to cook, he told them. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Stephen and his mom went out to get the ingredients. I wonder what he's going to cook for us, said Rave. I hope it's something yummy, said Tess. At 5 o'clock, Rave, Tess, Finn, and Asha knocked on Stephen's door. What are you cooking for tea, Chef Stephen? Asked Finn. It's a surprise, said Stephen. Come in. What's your favorite food? Asked Stephen. I love bananas, said Finn. Chocolate are my favorite, laughed Tess. I love crisps. Asha smiled. I really like fudge. Stephen disappeared into the kitchen as the friends sat down. Maybe he's going to make us a cake, said Asha, glancing towards the kitchen. After a while, Stephen came out of the kitchen, wiping his hands on his apron. Do you all like tomatoes? He asked. The friends nodded. What about cheese? Yes. Stephen vanished again. Soon the smell of cooking wafted out of the kitchen door. Is that bread? Asked Rave. Sniffing the air, is he making cheese and tomato sandwiches? Whispered Finn. I don't think so, said Tess. I can smell something else cooking. What is it? They all took a deep breath. Asha frowned and shrugged. I'm not sure, she said. A little while later, Stephen appeared again with a gleam in his eye. Let's lay the table, he cried, and began bustling about with knives and forks. Stephen's sister, Helena, came in and sniffed. Has Stephen been cooking? She whispered. Rave nodded and Helena groaned. I hope I don't have to eat it, she said. Your pizzas are ready, called Stephen from the kitchen. Finn's face lit up. Yum, I love pizza, he said. Phew, I thought we were getting something really strange, whispered Asha. Stefan rushed out of the kitchen. Asha and Rave, extra special pizzas are here, he cried, putting 2 plates on the table. Finn and Tess, these are yours, said his mom. The friends stared at their pizzas in confusion. Something's wrong, murmured Rave. Stephen took off his chef's hat and bowed. I wanted to give you your favorite food, he said. I put fudge on Rave's pizza, and Tess has melted chocolate buttons. Finn, you've got chopped banana, and I crumbled some crisps on Asha's. Stephen explained, pointing at the pizza. What's on your pizza? Asked Tess, as Stephen's mum brought another plate to the table. Oh, mine's just cheese and tomato, said Stephen. I don't like anything else. Friends stared in astonishment. Asha and Tess started to giggle. I think I would have preferred cheese and tomato too, Finn whispered to Rave. Dig in, said Stephen. Held a slice of his pizza and sniffed it. Then he took a huge bite and his eyes widened. It's really nice, he cried. Asha nibbled hers and smiled. Soon all the pizzas had vanished. Yum, sighed Finn, wiping his mouth. You're a great chef, Stephen, Tess declared. What are you going to make for us next time?